All right, let's work another example problem. This question says, write the complete chemical symbol for the ion with 11 protons and 10 electrons. So these chemical symbols that we are going to write are very, very similar to the nuclear notation or isotope notation we've been using previously. The only real difference here is that now we are adding on charge by looking at ions. So we need the complete chemical symbol for the ion that has 11 protons and 10 electrons. In order to know what symbol or what letter I should be using, I first have to know what element I'm working with. Since I have 11 protons, I know that my atomic number is also 11. So let's go to the periodic table and find atomic number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neon is 10. So 11 is sodium. The symbol is Na. Okay? That's part one. Done. I've got a symbol. The next thing we're going to do isn't anything super new. We've been doing it for a while. We're going to put the mass number in the top left corner and the atomic number in the bottom left corner. We just found that the atomic number was 11. That's how we figured out this was a sodium atom. So I'll put that there. And it doesn't tell us how many neutrons we have. So in this case, we'll just assume that this is the most abundant isotope of sodium, and we'll pull a rounded mass number off of the periodic table. So let's go take a look at the periodic table. Our mass number, our atomic mass, which is an average, that's listed on the table is 22.990 AMU. Let's assume that we're using a sodium atom that is the most abundant isotope, which should be very close to the rounded number for this atomic mass. So let's assume that we're working with a sodium 23 atom. 22.999 or 990 rounds up to 23. So let's put 23 up in our top corner, our top left corner. The last thing that's new to us is we are going to put the charge in this top right corner. If we have 11 protons and 10 electrons, to find the charge, all we have to do is take our protons, 11, and subtract our electrons. So 11 minus 10 gives us a positive 1. A positive 1 charge. Sometimes chemists put the symbol for positive or negative after the number. It's just a convention or a habit that we use. To be honest, it doesn't really matter whether you put it before or after. It all means the same thing. So there we go. We now have a complete symbol that has the element name, the mass number or our best guess of the mass number, the atomic number, and the charge of this ion.